अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम बात करते हैं Samsung Galaxy S22 5G की स्पेसिफिकेशन के बारे में।
Samsung Galaxy S22 5G. Release 2022, the 25th of February 167 gram, 168 grams, Wave, 7.6mm thickness Android 12, up to Android 13, One UI 5.1 128 GB, 256 GB storage, no card slot 1080 x 2000, 340 pixels 50 MP. 4320p 8GB RAM Exynos 2230 700 mAh Li Network Technology GSM, CDMA, HSPA, eVideo, LTE, 5G LAUNCH announced 2022, the 9th of February status available. Release 2022, the 25th of February BODY dimensions 146 x 76 x 76 mm 5.75 x 278 x 030 in, weight 167 grams, 168 grams, Wave, 5.89 ounces, build glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, glass back, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, aluminum frame SIM Nano SIM and eSIM or dual SIM, 2 Nano SIMs and eSIM, dual standby, IP68, dust, water resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes, armor aluminum frame with tougher drop and scratch resistance, advertised, display type dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, HDR10 plus 1300 nits. Peak size 6.1 inches, 90.1 square centimeter, approximately 87.4% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 x 2340 pixels, 19.59 ratio, approximately 425 ppi density. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus always on display platform OS Android 12, upgradable to Android 13. One UI 5.1 chipset Exynos 2200, 4nm, Europe Qualcomm, SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 4nm, ROW CPU octa-core, 1 x 2.8 GHz Cortex-X2 and 3 x 2.50 GHz Cortex-A710 and 4 x 1.8 GHz Cortex-A510. Europe octa-core, 1 x 3.00 GHz Cortex-X2 and 3 x 2.50 GHz Cortex-A710 and 4 x 1.80 GHz Cortex-A510. RAW GPU Clips 920 Europe Adreno 730 ROW memory. Card slot no internal, 128 GB 8 GB RAM, 256 GB 8 GB RAM UFS 3.1 main camera triple 50 MP, f1.8 23mm wide, 1.56, 1.0 m, dual pixel PDAF, OIS 10 MP, f2.4, 70mm, telephoto, 13.94, 1.0 m, PDAF, OIS, 3x optical zoom 12 MP, f2.2, 13mm 120 ultra-wide, 12.55, 1.4 m, super steady video features LED flash, auto HDR, panorama video 8824 fps, 4K 830, 60 fps, 1080p 830, 60, 240 fps, 720p 8960 fps, HDR10 plus, stereo sound REC, Euroeyes selfie camera single 10 MP, f2.2 26mm wide, 13.24, 1.22 m, dual pixel PDAF features dual video call, auto HDR video 4K 830, 60 fps, 1080p 830 fps sound loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers 3.5mm jack no 32-bit, 380 for kHz audio tuned by AKG Comms WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 A B, G, N, AC, 6, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth 5.2, a 2DP, LE positioning GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo. NFC yes radio no USB Type-C 3.2, OT features sensors fingerprint, under display, ultrasonic, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer Samsung DeX, Samsung wireless DeX, desktop experience support, Bixby Natural. Language commands and dictation Samsung Pay, Visa, MasterCard certified. Battery type Li-ion 3700 mAh. Non-removable charging 25W wired. PD 3.015W wireless. Qi, PMA, 4.5W reverse. Wireless MISC colors Phantom Black, White, Pink Gold, Green, Graphite, Sky Blue, Violet, Cream, Bora Purple models SMMS 901B, SMMS 901B DS, SMMS 901U, SMMS 901U1, SMMS 901W, SMMS 901N, SMMS 90110, SMMS 901E, SMMS 901E, DS 1 Saudi Riyal and 3 Halala W, kg, head 1.15W, kg, body SAR, EU 1.21W, kg, head 1.59W, kg, body, price $317.93, 599 euros, 525 British pound, 51,370 rupees. 799 Nicaraguan Cherdoba and 99 centavo TSTS Performance Antutu, 745496 V8, 881428 V9, Geekbench, 3682 V51, FS Bench, 69 FPS, ES 3.1 on screen, display contrast ratio, infinite, nominal, camera photo, video loudspeaker 26.4 LUFS, good, बैटरी लाइफ एंड्योरेंस रेटिंग 85 आवर्स।
अब हम इसकी पिक्चर्स और 3D मॉडल को देखते हैं।